Hello everyone and welcome to this session on emerging tools and technology for maintaining cybersecurity part 1. I am Dr. Shilpa Aneja, Assistant Professor, School of Computer Science and Information Technology, Uttarakhand Open University. In today's digital age, almost everything we do from online shopping to banking and social networking depend upon technology. But with all these emerging advancements, there come a big challenge, that is cyber threats. Cyber threats are becoming smarter, faster, and more dangerous every day. So, how we protect our data, systems, and privacy? That is where emerging tools and technology for maintaining cyber security come into play. Let's discuss the learning objectives of this lecture. In this lecture, we will learn about tools and technology that help protect us from online threats, especially in financial world. First, we will talk about artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are smart computer programs that can find, stop cyber threats quickly. They can look at a lot of data and find anything unusual. A tool that uses AI and ML is called Darktrace. It helps stop cyber attacks before they cause damage. Next, we will learn about blockchain. This is a special way of storing information so that it cannot be changed easily. It makes financial transactions safer and more open. A company that provides this service is IBM Blockchain. In the last lecture, we learned about cyber security for emerging technologies. Now, let's start with a question. Why do you think this topic matters so much today? Well, think about the financial sector, banks, online payment app, and digital wallets. All of these are being targeted by cyber criminals more and more. Why? Because they deal with sensitive personal data and huge amount of money. With everything going digital, the risk of hacking, phishing, and cyber frauds are increased rapidly. Let me give you a real world example to show how serious this can be. In 2016, hackers managed to steal $81 million from Bangladesh Bank using a SWIFT system, which is supposed to be a very secure global banking network. This clearly shows that even large and well protected institutions can be vulnerable. So the big question is, how do we protect these financial systems? What kind of tools and technologies are out there to defend against these growing threats? To solve these questions, we have to learn and understand these new tools and technologies. The name of these tools and technologies might sound a bit technical, but I will explain each part and I will even give you small example to help you understand better. In cybersecurity, artificial intelligence and machine learning can detect threats and automate tasks by learning from data. Blockchain keeps data secure and unchangeable, useful for safe transactions. Zero trust architecture means one can trust by default. Zero trust architecture means no one is trusted by default. Everyone must verify their identity. Quantum safe cryptography protect data from future quantum computers attacks. Multi-factor authentication adds extra login step, and biometric security uses things like fingerprint or face scan or for safer access. All of these tools work together to help protect our digital world. As cyber threats evolve, these emerging technologies make sure we stay one step ahead. Let us understand these one by one. Let's start with very first technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning, that are being used to protect us online, especially in cybersecurity and finance. Now, AI means computer that can make that AI means computer can make smart decisions and ML is a part of AI where machines learn from data, just like we learn from experience. Let me explain with simple real life examples so it's easy to understand. Imagine your school install a camera to identify anyone who doesn't belong. AI can use to scan the footage and predict threats before they happen. This is called predictive threat analysis. Just like how you might notice someone suspicious near your school gate and alert the teacher. AI does the same but faster and with much data. It studies past attacks and real-time activity to warn organization about possible cyber attacks. Next is automated fraud detection. Let's say your parents are shopping online and suddenly someone tries to use their card from a different country. ML systems are trained to spot these kind of strange activity and immediately stop the transaction. It's like a security guard saying, "Wait, this doesn't look right." These systems help banks and online stores catch fraud before any money is lost. Another cool example is behavioral biometrics. This means the computer checks how you use it, your typing speed, the way you move your mouse, or even how you scroll. So even if someone steal your password, AI can tell that it's not you using the device and block the access. Think of it like your phone recognized your fingerprint. It knows your unique habits. Now in the financial world, AI is very helpful to banks. Use AI model to detect credit card frauds. If your dad's card is used for a sudden big purchase in another country while he is sitting at home, the system will can freeze the card right away. Also, many banks use AI chatbots to answer customer questions, but these are not just friendly bots. They are trained to spot hacking attempts and protect private information while chatting. There are even some famous tools that companies use. For example, Dark Trace is like a digital immune system. It learns from normal looks like in the computer network, and there are even some famous tools that companies use. For example, Dark Trace is like a digital immune system. It learns what normal looks like a computer network and sounds an alarm when something strange happens. FritzEye help banks to spot fraud in real time, and Count protects online stores from fake transactions. Like when a bot tries to place 100 fake orders. So, to sum up, AI and ML are like invisible digital bodyguards. They watch, learn, and protect us every second. Whether it's stopping hackers, catching frauds, or verifying your identity, these technologies are quietly keeping us safe while we go about our day. The benefit of artificial intelligence and machine learning are quietly protect our digital world every second, secure computer finances and data. Their key strength is threat detection and prevention. They monitor vast data in real time, spotting suspicious activity and evolving to detect new cyber threats like a smarter 24/7 security guard. With automated incident response, AI react instantly to threats, spending with automated incident response, AI react instantly to threads, sending alerts to or connecting threads, even shopping. With automated incident response, AI react instantly to threats, sending alerts or connecting attacks, even stopping inside a thread quickly. Behavioral analysis lets AI learn normal user actions and flag unusual behavior, catching hackers or uh, account take over right away. In finance, AI excel at fraud detection and risk management, identifying fraud patterns while reducing false alarm to catch real threats fast. Lastly, AI offers scalability and efficiency, managing huge data volumes smoothly, cutting manual work, saving time and money, and ensuring quick accurate security responses. In short, AI and ML are digital superheroes that detect, respond, learn, and protect our system continuously. Let's understand the tool Darktrace for AI and ML implementing in the system. First, check how the office computer and internet are connected to understand the network layout. Then choose the best spot to install the Darktrace. Next is set up the devices, either plug in the physical one or install the virtual one on the server. Finally, connect Darktrace to the network port or switch where it can see and switch where it can see all the internet traffic to monitor activity properly. After setup, after setup, open Darktrace in the browser, enter the basic company details, and choose the alert setting. You can also connect it to the email or cloud services like Microsoft 365. Then let it run for a few days to learn normal network behavior. It will start detecting and responding to the anything unusual on its own. Now the next one is blockchain technology is revolutionize. Now the next one is technology is revolutionize the field of cybersecurity and finance. Blockchain technology is a decentralized distributed digital ledger system that record transaction across many computers in such a way that the registered transaction cannot be altered. It ensures transparency, security, and trust without the need for central authority. Blockchain offer decentralized security by separating data across multiple nodes, reducing the risk of single port of failure and making hacking extremely difficult. Its immutable ledger ensure that once records are added, they cannot be changed or deleted, which protects the integrity of financial transaction and prevent frauds. Smart contracts, which are self-executing codes, automatically enforce agreements without intermediary, saving time and cutting cost. In finance, blockchain is used for securing digital identity verification, allowing users to improve their identity use user to improve their identity without rapidly sharing sensitive information. It also enables faster, cheaper, and safer across border payment compared to traditional method. Popular tools in the industry include Ripple for real-time international payments, IBM blockchain for enterprise solutions, and Concise for creating decentralized application on Ethereum. Now, let's look at some of the main benefit of using blockchain technology in finance, especially for cybersecurity. One big benefit is decentralized security. Instead of storing data at one place, blockchain spread it across many computers. This make it much harder for hacker to attack the system. Another benefit is immutable ledger, which means that once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be changed or deleted. This helps prevent fraud and keeps financial records transparent and trustworthy. A third benefit is using the smart contrast. These are automatic digital agreement that only work when certain conditions are met. This reduces mistakes and make the process safer without needing middleman. Then we have strong identity protection. A blockchain gives each user a secure digital identity which help protect personal information and prevent identity theft. Lastly, blockchain allow real-time fraud detection because all the data is constantly updating and visible across the network. This help in quickly spotting and stopping any unusual or suspicious activity. So overall, blockchain adds multiple layer of safety and trust to the financial system. Now, let's understand how to implement IBM blockchain in any organization. The first step is to identify area where it can improve security, speed, and transparency. For example, businesses can use blockchain to securely track product or ensure accurate payment. Once a problem is identified, the next step is to choose IBM blockchain, a platform that helps businesses manage and secure these records in the digital tamper-proof ledger. After selecting the platform, the organization set up a blockchain network by the connecting all the relevant people and businesses like supplier or customer and defining clear rule on how the blockchain will be used. The next step is to integrate the blockchain with existing business systems such as payment tools or inventory management to ensure that everything works together seamlessly without disturbing current operations. Finally, the organization tests the system to make sure it functions as expected. Then launches it. After launch, they continuously monitor the system to ensure that it remains secure, efficient, and operates smoothly. These five simple steps help business to implement IBM blockchain to improve the operation while maintaining security and transparency. So the learning outcome of this lecture are we learn the basic concept of emerging tools and technology for maintaining cybersecurity and how these help in different ways. We also learn about different technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and blockchain technology for cybersecurity and finance, and the benefit of these technologies. And we also learn about tools to implement these technology, like for AI ML we have learned about Darktrace, and for blockchain we have learned about IBM blockchain. And in part 2 of this lecture series, we will explore technologies like zero trust architecture, quantum safe cryptography, multi-factor authentication, and biometric security in detail for maintaining cybersecurity. Thank you.